Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Hasnati Mafira. I'm a teacher early childhood education, currently studying at Universitas Trilogi in the early childhood education department. Here, I want to share a little about my daily activity. I'm a housewife and a kindergarten teacher. Every morning, I have to prepare my husband lunch to take to work, and also have to tidy up the house before going to school. And then 6 and 30 a.m. I leave for school to meet my little friends. Being, being a kindergarten teacher is enjoyable for me because every behavior of the children becomes a story for us and lesson for personally. I spend my day at school until 4 p.m. and then I continue with my private tutor for about 1 hour. After that, I go to bed. I do this routinely every Monday to Friday, of course with a happy heart. Thank you for listening my story. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.